Okay, hi, I'm Kat Kahn, reference librarian here at Bay County Library, and I am going to be using this book, Trash Origami, for our Upcycled origami programs. This is a really fun book. It has a lot of different kinds of ideas, and what we're going to do today are two things. We're going to do a jumping frog, and we're going to fold that out of an old coupon insert. And with a jumping frog, we're going to build the Crowns and Towers game, which is very fun and easy. And then when you have that and you have your frog, you can play games with each other. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so we're going to start. We're going to do the Crowns and Towers. And what I have is a sheet of rectangular scratch paper, and this one, the instructions say roughly 3.5 inches. This one, when I fold it in half, we get about 3.25 inches, so that's what we're going to work with. And I just folded it in half lengthwise, and then what you need is a ruler and a pencil. And you just mark your 3.25 inches, as I did over here. And then you just have to draw the lines. And then just take your scissors and cut very carefully right along your lines, making sure that you're cutting as neatly as possible. Okay, so now this is actually 2 squares. So along this crease, you're going to cut again. And then you'll have 2 squares. You'll need 4 squares to make one of these crowns. And it's really simple. All you have to do is take your 1 square of paper, fold it in half into a triangle, like this, and then fold it in half into another triangle, like so. And you're going to do 4 of these. You can do them all the same color, as I did in my sample, or you can do 2 different colors and alternate them. So that's what we'll do this time. So folding it half into a triangle and again into another triangle. And then these get fitted together right where you've got the open edges here, and you're just going to fit corner right into that little pocket. So we'll do another one of these. Like so. And you're going to fit that one inside like that. And then one more of the blue ones. Now, you might think, gee, this is really, really simple, but you know what? If you are a teenager and you have to babysit your younger brothers and sisters, or if you're babysitting other younger kids and you need something to do to occupy them and you're tired of watching TV or playing video games, something like this could be fun. So there is your little crown. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to fold a little jumping frog. There it is. little jumping frog. And this one is folded out of old coupon inserts. Anything that's, you can even use like an index card, but these coupon inserts are just a little bit thinner than an index card, so they're a little easier to work with. And you want to make sure that the frog is folded from something, again, that's roughly 3.5 inches square. So I've got this coupon thing right here. What you do is you fold it in half, and then you're going to cut right along your fold. Let's use the pretty side. And then you want to make a square. So you're going to fold the top edge over to one of the long edges. Make sure that your corner matches and that you have the edges right along each other. And you have this. And all you have to do is cut off this extra part. And just very carefully go right along that edge. Like that. And that is from the Jumping Frogs design here. Okay. So, and you can see from the photograph that they also used coupon inserts. So, you've got your square paper, and the colorful side we want to use on the outside. So, you're going to put it down, and you've already got your first fold, the triangle. Then you're going to open it up and turn it like about 90 degrees, and then you're going to fold again in half into a triangle. So now you've got your folds. Okay, now keep that, and you've got a mountain fold here, and you're going to fold these two corners into the center right along that bottom edge. Okay, so this is what you have. Now you're going to turn it over, and you're going to fold these straight edges into that center crease. And as you fold, go ahead and let the little points stick out, because those are the legs of your frog. Now it kind of looks like a rocket ship, but that's what you want, just like that, okay? Now, once you've done that, just take this one layer right here, and you're going to fold that down to meet that center area, and that just sort of forms the frog's mouth. There we go. Okay, then we're going to fold this bottom edge, basically going to fold it up to meet about there. Actually, you can fold it up a little higher. Yeah, we're going to fold it here, like this. And then we're going to fold this back down, like so. And that makes your frog. It's very simple. And you want a frog for each person who's going to be playing this game. Now, I'm not very good at this, but we're going to try. The neat thing about using this kind of cardstock is that it gives your jumping frog, if you can try to get it to actually, oh, this one just wants to hop high. You want to get it into there. Let's try my other frog. This is my sample frog that I made earlier. He made a little bit more distance. it takes, what you want to do is count how many tries did it take to get into the crown. It could take a long time. Oh, we almost did it. Yay! We got it. So, and then each person will do that, and you take turns and see whoever did it in the fewest leaps wins. Now, you can also build, depending on how much people you have. You already have one here. So if you want to build your tower, what you're going to do is take one of your little squares of paper and lay it right on top, and then take your other crown and stick it on top of that. And then you can try again. Now, I have not tried this before, because these frogs do get a little bit of height there. But the challenge would be to see how high can you go and still get your frog inside the towers. And this could take a while, but that's the kind of fun that you can have. And in the book it showed a stack of 3 of them, but you can build however many you want and just have fun with it. Now, this book is in the library, so the title is Trash Origami. And when you borrow it, there is a DVD with video instructions. So if you are able to borrow the book, you can find the instructions printed in here, plus the video instructions to help you make your different designs. And that is our jumping frog and our crowns and towers.